everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the December 2024 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options: the card kit of the month, the fancy dies of the month, the clear set plus dies of the month, the cling of the month, the layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Let's dive into the December release, starting with our card kit of the month. This monthly subscription is an unbeatable deal at just $46, featuring a fabulous assortment of amazing products and free domestic shipping. The December card kit of the month includes a 6x8 clear stamp set, 15 coordinating dies, a floral circle fancy die, 5 reactive ink re-inkers, and a plastic watercolor palette. Let's take a closer look at all of these items, starting off with the watercolor palette and the re-inkers. The included plastic watercolor palette is both practical and versatile, featuring 11 wells ideal for watercoloring and mixing colors. Pair it with the provided reactive ink re-inkers, Fruit Punch, Lemon Drop, Green Apple, Blue Hawaii, and Purple Galaxy for a variety of techniques. Next up, we have the 6x8 clear stamp set, which showcases a collection of beautiful continuous line drawing styled images that offer a modern and artistic touch to your cards. The coordinating die set includes matching dies for all the images and sentiments, allowing for precise cuts and layered designs. The images included in the set are a sunflower, a dancer, a peacock feather, a pinwheel, a balloon bouquet, a hummingbird, a kite, and butterflies. This set also includes several wonderful sentiments, each with a coordinating die. Use the included re-inkers like watercolors to bring your stamped images to life. Then create beautiful ombre backgrounds that perfectly coordinate. Also try experimenting with techniques like ink smooshing or dripping. Combine these with the stamped images to craft unique, colorful, and artistic card designs. Also included in the card kit is the Floral Circle Fancy die, which creates a stunning circular scene with the sun, sky, and flowers. By using paper piecing techniques with colored cardstock, you can bring this intricate design to life with bold, distinct sections of color. Alternatively, ink blending the sections create beautiful gradations and lots of dimension, or enhance the design further with white gel pen highlights and accents. Or even try pairing the die cut with a splashy watercolor background for a modern, abstract twist. Now that we've looked at the entire contents of the December card kit of the month, let's move on to our other subscription options, our monthly minis. Like the card kit of the month, subscribers to any one of our 4 monthly minis enjoys a discounted price, guaranteed availability of the products, and free domestic shipping. Starting off with our first monthly mini, the December Fancy Dies of the month. This enchanting 4-piece die set is perfect for crafting magical card fronts. The centerpiece of this set is a cover plate die that creates a stunning windowed opening with a whimsical scene of fluffy clouds, twinkling stars, beautiful rainbows, and a gentle stream. This set also includes dies for a standalone rainbow with clouds, a single cloud, and scattered stars. Pair this set with specialty cardstocks or ombre backgrounds to achieve striking dimensional effects. Or bring the dreamy landscape to life with markers or watercolors for a scene that feels straight out of a fairy tale. Our next monthly mini is the December Clear Set Plus Dies of the Month. This 4x6 clear stamp and coordinating die set features a beautifully intricate butterfly design comprised of delicate flowers and leaves. The set also includes 2 additional floral accents and an adorable ladybug. To complement these images, the set also includes 3 sentiments: happy birthday, thank you, and enjoy the little things, each accompanied by a matching die for precise cutting. Ideal for coloring, you can bring these designs to life with your favorite mediums, whether you prefer vibrant markers or the flowy look of watercolors. Next up is the December Cling of the Month. This 6x6 cling stamp showcases a stunning swirling cloud and rainbow pattern perfect for creating captivating, magical backgrounds. The intricate design adds movement and flow, making it ideal for a variety of creative projects. Use vibrant colors to craft bold, eye-catching panels, or combine with watercolor techniques for a textured, ethereal look. And our last monthly mini is the December Layering Stencils of the Month. Unleash your creativity with this versatile 4-piece layering stencil set designed to craft a stunning focal point of a large butterfly accompanied by smaller fluttering butterfly accents. The sky's the limit for this stencil design because each stencil layer offers numerous possibilities. Whether you prefer a classic traditional butterfly or a more whimsical design, experiment the stencils to add florals or intricate swirls, or even mix and match by layering the patterns for a unique design. Ideal for cards, this set invites you to explore different color palettes as well as textured mediums, ensuring your creations are as dynamic and imaginative as you are. Now that we've finished looking at all 4 of the monthly minis, let's move on to our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions in one glorious and discounted buy. To review, here's all that's included in the December Whole Studio. The entire December card kit of the month, which we covered at the beginning of the video, the December Fancy Die of the month, the December Clear Set plus dies of the month, the December Cling of the month, and the December Layering Stencils of the month. And that completes our closer look at the December Card Kit of the Month, the 4 monthly minis, and the December Whole Studio. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release, packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your December Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.